Hello everyone, my name is Alice Vanessa Conde Barrios and today I'm going to present my lesson plan which is designing for preschool students between the age 4 and 6 years old at the Miguel de Cervantes Saavedra School. These students are just beginning learn to basic English, so their learning is primarily based on play movement, visuals, A's, sounds, and many repetitions, all of which are fundamental elements for this stage of development. And the students learn according of the common European framework of reference for language is pre A1, which means that the children can follow basic instructions, use simple greetings, memorize short songs, participate in movement activities, respond to visual content. For this reason, the lessons, design focuses on dynamics and participatory activities that facilitate comprehension and interpretation. Okay, the topic is for food and the colors of flags from different countries. Um, the main objective is to strengthen colors and recognitions and help children to learn names of certain foods while also introducing to the other cultures. Um, the main language skills being developed are listening and speaking as a student must listen to instructions, repeat words, and respond orally during activities. In the methodology, use is tag-based intercultural learning, also known as TBL. This approach was chosen because it allows students to learn the language through practical, dynamic, and meaningful tasks, linking learning with cultural aspects. Furthermore, this methodology is well suited for young children as it promotes active participation, social interaction, and learning through play. Learning objective for this class is as follows. By the end of the session, students will be able to identify and name at least three colors, name two foods from the countries covered, and follow simple instructions during movement activities. This winning at estimate time of 2 hours. The materials mm, will be used during the lesson are televisions and speakers, flashcards and food items, worksheets, flags of Colombia and United States, paper and foam board, a puppet is very important, a puppet, and digital resources such as YouTube and Canva. These materials have help create a visually engaging and dynamic environment that facilitate learning preschoolers. The flipped classroom strategy is implemented before class. Students are shown a video about food around the world to give them a general idea of the topic before the sessions. The beginning of the class, I checked their understanding by asking simple questions about the video, noting whether students remembered colors, character, or foods. Activities. TVL, the class is organized into three main strains, um, pre-task, and during task, and post-task. pre-task, and in pre-task phase, I greet the student use simple expressions such as hello, good morning, how are you, goodbye, and that a short song is sent to capture group attention. And next, students view a presentation of Canva showing flags and foods from different countries, particularly Colombia and United States. Oh, sorry. I use language models, for example, this is blue, this is yellow, what color is this? Point on the blue color. Students repeat the words and answer simple questions, strengthening their listening comprehensions. During the task, during the task phase, the main activity takes place called Let's Feed the Monster. Mm, in this activity, two monsters appear in the screen, one from Colombia and one from United States. A student watch the screen and say, where it is correct, feed the monster in the food shown. Later, a puppet representing a tourist, it also used who ask questions about the food each country. They take a card, they take the color name on the food, and they feed the puppet tourists. It's a really fun activity since they have fun. I stayed focused. In the intercultural moment, this activity includes an intercultural moment during which as the as the teacher, make a simple comparison between countries. And for example, and in Colombia, we eat arepas. In United States, people eat hamburger. In Colombia, we eat empanadas. In United States, people eat donuts. These students, the students repeat, and these phrases allow fostering respect for other cultures and appreciation for diversity. In the post-tax, I ask a simple questions to assess comprehension. For example, what color is the hamburger? Who is arepa? The students complete a creative activity which they color two flags, Colombia and United States. And finally, they show their words um, up to the group. This activity helps reinforce vocabulary, develop fine motor, and assess learning. In the assessment, is conducted using two checklists where the students identify colors, name foods, and follow instructions, participate in activities, and answer simple questions. This type of assessment is appropriate for the preschool level as it is a vast set of direct observation of the student behavior. Finally, the lesson plan incorporates an intercultural approach in which students start learn about the difference between countries through their flags and traditional foods. This helps develop cognitive skills, respect for the other cultures, and basic understanding of cultural diversity. In conclusions, these lesson plans promote English language learning through fun and meaningful activities using the TVL methodology. It also allows students to develop listening and speaking skill and learns about different cultures in dynamic and participatory way. And here in the presentation, there is a video that shows a compilation of that session. It's very funny. This video, the monsters, obviously in Spanish, code switching, Spanish, English, and food activity with the monster and the puppet. And the puppet. Oh, this is a funny game to be meshes. Okay, it's all. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Thank you.